How to sign in to your Outlook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to sign in to your Outlook account once you have created. Signing in is quick and easy by using your email address and password. Now, let's go over how to do this. First, open any browser, and once you have opened it, simply type hotmail.com on the search bar and simply press enter. And you will be redirected to the official Outlook page. Once you are there, simply look for the sign in button and simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will be directed to the sign in page where you need to enter your email address, and after typing your email, you need to simply click on next. After that, you need to enter your account password, and after entering your account password, you need to simply click on sign in. And just like that, you are logged in into your Outlook account. Signing in is as simple as entering your email address and password. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.